Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Crypto and Chai. Today I will show you on how to add Polygon Network to your Metamask wallet in less than 2 minutes. Polygon was previously known as Matic Network. Polygon is a top layer 2 Ethereum scaling solution. To start, click the Metamask symbol on top right hand corner of your browser. Now enter your password and log in. Click on the drop down of Ethereum network and click on Add Network. You will be redirected to a new page. Now enter the details. Network name will be Polygon Mainnet. New RPC URL will be https polygonrpc.com. Chain ID as 137. Current symbol will be Matic. Block Explorer would be https polygonscan.com. Click on Save. You can find all the details in the description below as well. Congratulations, you have successfully added Polygon Network to your MetaMask. Do not forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel Crypto and Chai. You can also join our Telegram and Twitter community. Our username is Crypto and Chai. Details have been mentioned in the description. Thank you.